Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is absolutely crucial for modern aviation, but often flies under the radar. Aircraft data download tools. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Sounds a bit technical, right? But trust me, this is where the magic happens in keeping our skies safe and our planes running smoothly. So, buckle up, and let us get into Italiano. First off, what exactly are we talking about? Imagine an airplane as a super smart, flying computer. Every second it's in operation. It's generating enormous amounts of data. We're talking about everything from engine performance and fuel consumption to the position of the flight controls and the pressure in the cabin. This information is pure gold for maintenance, crews, and engineers. The big question is, how do we get all that valuable data off the plane and into the hands of the people who need it? That's where aircraft data download tools come in. These aren't your average USB sticks. We're talking about specialized, rugged pieces of hardware and sophisticated software designed to interface directly with the aircraft's complex computer systems. Think of them as the ultimate data retrieval specialists for aviation. They plug into specific ports on the aircraft, often located in the electronics bay or even the cockpit, and initiate a secure download of the aircraft's logs. This process can happen wirelessly or through a physical connection, depending on the age and type of the aircraft. So, what kind of data are we downloading? It generally falls into a few key categories. First, we have fault data. If any system on the plane experiences an anomaly, from a flickering light bulb to a minor engine sensor hiccup, it hits lookhead. Downloading these fault codes allows maintenance teams to know exactly what needs attention before it becomes a bigger issue. It's like the aircraft telling you, "Hey, my left widget is feeling a bit off. Maybe you should check it out." This proactive approach is a cornerstone of modern aviation safety. Next up is trend data. This is where things get really cool for long-term health monitoring, especially for the engines. These tools download detailed performance data from every flight. Engineers can then analyze this data over weeks, months, and even years. By looking for subtle changes or trends, they can predict when a component might start to wear out. For example, a tiny, gradual increase in engine temperature or vibration could indicate that a part needs to be replaced soon. This predictive maintenance saves airlines a fortune in potential delays and cancellations and ensures the engines are always in peak condition. It's all about spotting the pattern before it becomes a problem. And of course, we have flight event data. This is just about the black box flight data recorder that we hear about in accident investigations. Aircraft are constantly recording hundreds, if not thousands, of parameters during a normal flight. This includes things like climb performance, cruise efficiency, and how the autopilot is behaving. Airlines use this information to optimize flight routes, save fuel, and even refine pilot training procedures. It provides a complete picture of each and every flight, allowing for continuous improvement across the board. The process itself is fascinating. A technician will connect the download tool, which might look like a ruggedized laptop or a dedicated handheld device. They'll run the software, select the data they need, and initiate the download. It's a highly secure process to ensure the integrity of the data. Once downloaded, the files are transferred to a central server where powerful analytic software crunches the numbers. The results are then presented to engineers and maintenance planners in easy-to-understand reports and graphs. It's a seamless flow of information from the sky to the screen. In a nutshell, these data download tools are the unsung heroes of aircraft maintenance. They are the critical link that transforms raw data into actionable intelligence by giving us an incredibly detailed look into the health and performance of an aircraft. They help ensure every flight is as safe and efficient as possible. They allow us to move from a reactive fix-it when it breaks model to a proactive, predictive one, which is the future of aviation. So, the next time you're on a flight, you can rest easy, knowing that there is a whole world of data science working behind the scenes to keep that aircraft in top-notch shape. It is a testament to how technology continues to push the boundaries of safety and reliability in the skies. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope you found this look into aircraft data tools interesting. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content about the amazing technology behind aviation. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.